All right, I had to quickly jump on here. Long week, come home, throw on YouTube, take a look at Drip Coach and his channel, and I see the video that he made today about spritz, about gatekeeping. I wish I could say like I'm surprised, but I'm not. But it really is frustrating. For those of you that don't know what I'm talking about, Drip Coach found this project that, in my opinion, is the best thing that's come into crypto in a long time. Oh, look at this.
Oh, hello. Hi.
Dog sitting right now.
Can you say hello?
I'm shooting a video. I'm shooting a YouTube video. Look at this. All right, buddy. You're gonna have to give me a second. Hey. Give me a minute. So anyway, he finds the project. Best projects coming to crypto. Spritz. You guys have heard me talk about it. It is a way to use many different types of cryptos that we carry in our wallet and pay for things, as opposed to having to send money to an exchange, convert it to cash, and then send the cash to our bank accounts. We can actually just start taking this magic internet money and paying for things. So not only did he find this project, which I use every week, I stand by it, and I think all of you should definitely use it. I'll leave a link down below. There's no more rewards, or I don't get any money for using. I'll just put the website on there. So at any rate, Drip Coach then reached out to the Spritz CEO or founder, and basically he was able to negotiate a deal where anyone in the Drip community that signs up and starts using Spritz, I think actually you don't even have to use it. You just need to sign up and make an account, because if your wallet has interacted with the Drip UI and you've held Drip, it knows that you're part of the Drip community. Spritz knows you're part of the Drip community, and they were going to be using some of the transaction fees to buy Drip and burn it. And we're talking like a lot of money. All right, when I use Spritz, every time I use Spritz, you got to pay a fee. It just comes out of your bill. It's like $7 here, $8 there, $2 here. It depends on how much you're using. I don't know what happened. I don't pay attention. I don't really know what happened, but I guess Ray and Forex, they shot it down. They didn't want to just promote it. I think Coach was just asking them to just promote it. Ray's got a huge channel. He's got a lot of people that listen to him, and I'm not even done with the video yet, because I'm just so frustrated. This was such a good deal, and I don't know. Maybe by the end of the video there is a solution. Maybe we all start yapping about it in chats. I don't know. But this was such a no-brainer. Like, it's just unbelievable. Frustrated. Coach, you keep doing you, man. You've put your brick in, and we all appreciate you and know that we're frustrated alongside of you. So anyway, I needed to come on and just make this little rant, and go check out Coach's video. Definitely check out Spritz. Whether or not we can make a deal with them or not, I'm still using it. It's the best project that actually has real utilization, that is just such a benefit to people. I mean, it's talk about privacy and ease. It just makes things easier. So it's worth every penny that I pay in fees to use Spritz. And anyway, that's it, folks. I'll catch you guys all on the next one. Have a great weekend.